What are TikTok Shop Seller Tools? TikTok Shop Seller Tools are specialized features designed to help merchants manage, market, and grow their online stores directly within the TikTok platform. These tools include options for uploading products, tracking inventory, managing orders, running promotions, and analyzing performance, all integrated into one dashboard. The purpose is to make it easy for sellers to operate efficiently while leveraging TikTok's massive user base and built-in marketing potential. These tools empower sellers to optimize their listings, set competitive prices, and interact with customers seamlessly. With features like promotional campaigns, product analytics, and ad management, sellers can understand what works best and make data-driven decisions. The goal is to turn casual TikTok viewers into loyal buyers through creative videos, influencer partnerships, and real-time engagement directly from the app. Many successful TikTok sellers rely on Helium 10 to complement these seller tools by providing deeper insights into product trends, keyword performance, and profit tracking. Helium 10 helps identify high-demand products, monitor analytics, and refine marketing strategies to maximize visibility and sales within TikTok Shop. By integrating Helium 10 with TikTok seller tools, brands can achieve a complete growth-oriented setup. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the powerful tools you need to track TikTok Shop seller performance, analyze sales data, and grow your business efficiently at no cost.